I'm working on a new brand for myself, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm really quickly generating a color palette for it and adding it to Canva. All right, my favorite place to start with color palettes is Coolors. I'll drop a link below. I actually have a paid account so I can save color palettes to my profile, which I find really handy. But when you're trying to get inspiration for brand colors and you are looking for things that just look good together, I love to start here. So I start with exploring the palettes. And I'm looking for a color palette for myself, so I'm not worried about client questionnaires or inspiration. This is just for me. I'm looking for something a little bit retro, something that is pretty fun. I think this is close here. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling until I find here it is, Dark Sunset. This is really close to what I want. This one is really close. Gonna keep going until I find the Sunny Beach Day. This is really, really close to what I want. I think I just want this to be a hair lighter because I want it to be the background color of my website. So now that I've found this, I'm going to click the three dots and open in the generator. So you can see here, I've got these initial colors that it gave me. I'm gonna hop in and go a shade lighter here. Don't think that's exactly what I want, so I'm going to continue to play around with this one. And to do that, I can lock these down and hit my space bar until I find something that looks close. And then if I want to go lighter or darker, I can. I want something really light for this one. This is not what I'm looking for. I want more of a linen color. So I'm going to continue to go through and choose some colors here. Okay, so I found one that I really like, Old Lace. Love it. Next up, I'm going to add another color here. And this is not the one that I want. So I'm going to lock my other colors and just continue to hit the space bar until I find a color. I think this one works really well. I want a lighter version of it. So I'm going to click View Shades and choose lighter version here if it will let me. There we go. That looks great. That's what I'm going for. But let me add these to my Canva brand and you'll see what I have in mind for them. Okay, I'm here in Canva. I'm going to click on my brand. And if you have been following along, you'll know that I set up a custom font for Christy Goes Places. That's already in place. And I'll drop a link to that video below if you want to see how I added a custom font here for my brand. It was really simple. Now we're going to look at colors. Now I have already added these in except for this last color that I'm going to add here. So I'm going to copy this and come back to Canva, click Add New, and paste it in. And now this is my color palette. It's really simple. Let me show you how I'm playing with these. So you can see I used that new background color here, and then I have some variations on my logo in different colors here. I'm playing around in other ways. This, I'm just making it really easy to crop this once I download it. I also wanted to see what it would look like at the bottom of sticky notes or note cards if I want to get those from Vistaprint later. So I'm just having a lot of fun with it right now. But one of the great things that you can do, let me just duplicate this, is once you have those colors set up, you can go to your brand and let me hop back into Christy Goes Places. Here's my color palette. And if I hit shuffle, it's going to automatically shuffle the colors for me. Now I like that one, so I'm going to duplicate it again. And now I'm going to hit shuffle on this one and we'll look at some, let me back it up one. I liked that one too. And I'm just kind of saving the ones that I like here and moving forward with them. There's some dark ones that are pretty cool. I can see this on a tote bag. It'd be really fun. I know nobody needs another tote bag, but when it's your swag, you kind of go crazy with what you can create. So at any rate, you can shuffle this and get it to shuffle the colors for you on any of these pages that you've created in Canva and play around with your brand color. And that's how I landed on a vibrant retro color palette. really quickly and easily using Coolors and how I added it to my brand kit inside of Canva. Now, if you are working on a brand or if you have a brand of your own, let me know what word best describes it. I'm going for retro here with my font and my colors. I'd love to know what feeling your brand has. Drop a note in the comments and let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your brand.